Negro leaders wrote a letter to the United States State Department saying, can you please deport that Jamaican irritant? Did y'all hear that? Negroes went to the government to get a black man kicked out the country. 1922, Marcus Garvey is arrested for using the United States mail to defraud investors in connection with the Black Star Line. They claimed that he was selling stock in a ship he didn't own. Nonsense. He was raising money for a ship that he hoped to own. He was convicted on an empty envelope. It was empty, no evidence in the inside, by a man from Philadelphia named Biddy Dancy, who claimed he worked for Mr. Garvey. Mr. Garvey said he never seen him a day in his life. The judge that presided over Marcus Garvey's trial was a judge by the name of Judge Mack, a member of the NAACP, who couldn't stand Garvey. Even the white lawyer who worked for Garvey said he'd never seen somebody dealt with such iniquity in the court of justice. He said the case was a total fraud against Marcus Garvey. Total fraud. They were scared of Marcus Garvey. 1917, you got the Negro World newspaper, the most widely circulated black newspaper of all time, the most feared newspaper. If you got caught reading Marcus Garvey's newspaper, did you know you could go to jail or be killed? Let them catch you in Africa with a Garvey paper and see what happened to you. They say this man is trying to free the whole African world. We can't have it. Do you know that white women got their right to vote? White women got their right to vote because of Marcus Garvey. It was white women who petitioned their white officials after they saw that Marcus Garvey had the first black female uniform military wing. African Motor Corps, Black Cross nurses, from where you get the MGT, the Nation of Islam. That came from Garvey. White women went to the state. They said, look at this. You have a Negro who give black women more respect than you give us. The white women finally get the right to vote. 1919, 1920. The height of the Garvey movement. What was, yeah. Council on Foreign Relations, 1921. The CFR of the Rockefellers was created to disrupt Marcus Garvey's Africa program. Do your research. Then Marcus Garvey put the Black Star Line ships, first ship named after my ancestor, the SS Frederick Douglass. White folks really got scared. This nigga got shit. That raised the pride of black folks. They said, look, we got our own. White folks had the Titanic, White Star Line, but you couldn't ride in the Titanic if you was black. So Mr. Garvey said we're going to give black people their own Black Star Line. He didn't know what he was doing. He bought them ships, and them ships didn't work. Nonsense. Captain Cockburn, who Marcus Garvey trusted to help him buy them ships, was an undercover agent for the FBI, who deliberately influenced Mr. Garvey to buy ships that he knew wouldn't work for a long time. Agents inside of us. That's why we got to watch as we organize, y'all. We got to keep an eye on each other. Even Mr. Garvey said it. The UNIA, his organization, infiltrated with undercover agents. Malcolm said it before he died. The Nation of Islam infiltrated with agents. Huey said it. The Panthers infiltrated with agents. So anyway, in 1920, Marcus Garvey had the first international convention of Negro peoples of the world. They released the groundbreaking document, International Declaration of the Rights of the Negro Peoples of the World. First major constitution put out by an African organization. In that document, Marcus Garvey said that the colors red, black, and green will be chosen to be the colors of the African race. And we got to make sure we don't let white folks use that flag. They were already running around with the Ethiopian flag. What the hell is white folks doing with Ethiopian headbands? That ain't your country, you ain't black. I was watching a Pepsi commercial. I saw Pepsi trying to use the RBG. So you don't let the Pepsi people take that, that's our flag.